Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share how to remove the factory LCD head unit screen on the top and also the radio on the top from Toyota Prado 150 series, the generation made between 2009 and 2013. This one is 2012 Toyota Prado Altitude. It has the setup navigation screen, but it can be seen the same thing like this in a VX or Kakadu, and yeah, pretty much the similar way that you do in the GX and GXL as well. So yep, the tool we need to do with this is something about the plastic trim remover tool and also the 10mm socket. Okay, so we start now. Very easy to go. Just go to the edge of the air conditioner control panel and just use this one, slide in the edge and twist, and then this one come out. Okay, the air conditioner panel come out, and then you disconnect the cable right behind here, and the panel come out. Okay, so leave it on this side, and from now you will see 1, 2 and 3 and 4 screw, 10mm screw holding here. We already removed 2, so this one we just do another 2, and 1 comes out, and the second comes out. Okay, so another 2 already removed, so 4 of them removed. Now you will be able to slide the top head unit out. This is applying for the Altitude, VX and Kakadu. In case you have the GX and GXL, the procedure is pretty much the same thing. Okay, and now you actually can put your hands, one underneath, one on the top, and then try to pull it out. Okay, gently, but give it enough force. Okay, so you can get one side out first and the other side out. Okay, so like this, and pull it out, and it comes out. Now looking at this, there's bunch of cable behind this one. Okay, so carefully disconnect one by one, don't be rushed. Okay, and use your finger, press it down or the tap, and it will detach the top LCD and head unit comes out of the car. So just very simple like that to do the top section in the Altitude, VX or Kakadu. So yep, thanks again for watching, and yep, if you want to do for the bottom section, simply click on the another video we have. And so yep, thanks again, and see you then.